In a surprising and unfortunate incident at the ongoing Dubai Airshow, India's HAL Tejas fighter jet has drawn global attention, not for its performance, but for a visible oil leak while the aircraft was parked on the tarmac. According to early observations, fluid was seen dripping from the wing root area, which is typically associated with either hydraulic fluid used for the leading-edge flaps or JP-8 aviation fuel. Witnesses also noticed that there were no deep trays placed beneath the jet, a basic safety and housekeeping requirement at any international air show. This oversight has further fueled criticism regarding technical discipline and ground crew preparedness. Investigations are expected, and experts now await an official explanation from HAL or the IAF. For now, the incident has raised serious questions about maintenance protocols and overall reliability, especially as India continues pushing the Tejas for export market. Tejas is showcased by India as a rising symbol of indigenous aerospace capability. This leak has overshadowed the intended message in a high-profile global event like the Dubai Airshow, where dozens of advanced aircraft from the US, Europe, China, Russia, and the Middle East compete for attention. Welcome to Defense Affairs 24, where we decode the future of global military technology. If you love defense content, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for in-depth military comparison and analysis.